Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will learn about virtual environment and package installation with Anaconda. So let's open Anaconda PowerShell prompt and let's go to the Anaconda website, and I will paste the link to this website in the video description. So what is environment? Environment is an isolated spaces where we can install specific version of software packages and their dependencies. And why do we need isolation? Because sometimes we need to install, for example, two packages, and these two packages require a third package with different versions, the same package with different versions. So we can use environment to install these two packages in an isolated environment. That is the reason. The second reason is the reproducibility. So when we create a project and this project depends on many other packages with different versions, and the collection of these packages with and their version information we call environment, and we can save the information and transfer to other persons, and they can recreate the environment and then produce exactly the same result as we did. Otherwise, they use the same name of the package but with different versions. They can produce different result. And also for ease of management, with Anaconda you can easily create, manage, and delete environment. And one very important thing is that we shouldn't work in the base environment. The base environment is reserved for installing Anaconda, Conda, and Conda related packages only. So when we want to install package, just create a new virtual environment. So let's see here. When you open Anaconda PowerShell prompt, the base in here means we are in the base environment. So let's see the list of my virtual environment in here. Conda environment list. So now I just have the base environment and it's in this folder. Now I want to create a new virtual environment and install some packages for this tutorial, let's say. So I can use this command, conda create, and is the name keyword, and my environment, let's say test environment. Yes, yes. So my test environment in this folder. Now if I want to activate my environment, I should say this, conda activate test environment. Let's open this full screen. Now you see that I have switched to test environment, and there's nothing in this environment, even Python. So I need to install Python in this environment. Conda install Python. You can give the version name, the Python version in here. But if I don't give the Python version, it will automatically install the latest version. So yes, it will install also some packages. So now let's see a list of install packages in this test environment. Conda list. Here I have Python, pip, and other packages. Let's say that I want to install another package. Conda install, let's say matplotlib for plotting Yes, it takes time. Okay, and now let's say that I have enough packages and I want to open Spider. And my Spider should know that I have these packages in my test environment. So if I go to here, I open Spider here, Spider won't know that I have these packages because the Spider in here is Spider in the base environment, not in the test environment. So we need also to install Spider in the test environment. So let's install conda install Spider. And then we can use Spider in this environment and also the packages that we just install in this environment. Yes, here. Also takes time. Okay, let's see a list of installed packages in this environment. Conda list. So here I have these packages. So let's go to the list of install program. You see here I have Anaconda 3 and I have Spider in the test environment. So I can open Spider in the test environment here. Either I can open in here. Spider. So it will open Spider in the test environment. And now I can create some code and use the packages in the test environment. Here, let's see the list of packages in this environment. It should be the same here as the packages listed in here. Must be the same because Spider is now in the test environment. You see the version is the same. Now you can do something, write some codes and use the packages in here. Let's close it. Okay, and for example, I just created a code to do something, and then I should also share the environment. In other words, I should also share the information of the packages and its version that in this environment with others, so they can run my code and produce exactly the same result that I produce. Otherwise, if they use different versions in here, they could produce different results despite using the same code. So, and how to save the environment. Here, let's go back to the official website of Spider. Scroll down. Here we can use this command to export the environment. So, conda environment export. So let's say that I export to the test environment IML. So if you go to this folder, see, you will see the file with the name test. Here, test, open. You see the list of packages and its versions. And once I can share this file with other, and they can create this environment. So now first let's uh, log out of this environment. Conda deactivate test environment. And now I back to the base environment. And I can create the test environment using the file I just created. For example, I am one of the I am the person that just received this file from others, and I want to create this environment. I can use this command conda environment create, and my file is now test in this folder already. So I just write test app test iml. So that was all about virtual environment and package installation with Anaconda. Thanks for your support and please subscribe to get update about my latest videos.